So for today's experiment, we'll see about image filtering. So basically, image filtering, it is used in image processing to remove noise and then to smoothen the image and for edge detection and various applications. So we'll see some basic types of image filtering in this. So image filtering, like I said, it is used for many applications like smoothing, sharpening, removing noise and edge detection. So an image filter is defined by a kernel. A kernel is nothing but a matrix, which is a small array applied to each pixel and its neighbors within an image. So basically we'll be doing convolution operation by convolving the image with the filter. So in most applications, the center is aligned with the current pixel and it's a square with an odd number of elements in each dimension. So this process of applying filters is known as convolution and it can be applied in spatial or frequency domain. So in spatial domain, we'll directly operate on the image, and in frequency domain, we'll apply Fourier transform to convert the image to frequency domain, and then we'll perform filtering. So the two types of filtering. First one is spatial domain filtering, second one is frequency domain filtering. So in spatial domain filtering, we'll multiply the kernel with the pixels of the image, and then the result will be averaged and it will be replaced with the original image. So that is what is spatial domain filtering. In frequency domain filtering, we'll perform fast Fourier transform and then perform convolution, and then we'll transform it back to the spatial domain. So the kernel will be padded with 0 to enlarge the image before fast Fourier transform is applied. So these are the two different types of filtering. So first, spatial filtering. So in spatial filtering, we have linear filtering and non-linear filtering. So what is linear filtering? Linear filtering is simply the average of the pixels contained in the neighborhood of the filter mask. So filter mask, kernel, everything is same. So here we'll replace the value of every pixel by the average value of the filtering operation. So there are different types of linear filtering. First one is averaging filtering, where it will take the average of the pixels and then replace it in the original image. Second one is weighted average filter. It has different coefficients and the center pixel is multiplied by the higher value. Second type is non-linear filtering. So here it is based on the ordering of the pixels contained in the image area. So it replaces the value with the center pixel, and based on the ranking it will assign the pixel values. So basically this type of non-linear filtering is used for edge detection. So the edges are better preserved in this filtering. So there are different types of non-linear filtering. Minimum filter, where the 0th percentile will be taken for filtering operation. Maximum filter, where the 100th percentile will be taken as the filtering kernel. And in median filtering, the median value will be taken and the neighboring pixels are sorted during the filtering operation. So next we will move on to the frequency domain filtering. So in frequency domain filtering, we will convert the image to frequency domain. So in frequency domain, we have three different operations like low pass filtering, high pass filtering and band pass filtering. So this is the classic definition. So in low pass filtering, it will allow only the low frequency signal. In high pass filtering, it will allow only the high frequency signals, and in band pass filtering, you will have a particular range of signals, particular frequency range for the signals. So the same thing is happening in the images also. So in low pass filtering, will have a certain frequency and that frequency will be taken and again it will be converted back to the spatial domain. So these are the operations we will be performing in MATLAB today. So these are the references.